Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our weekend edition of the Market Wrap-Up. It's the casual. I even went with an Angels hat, although I'm a White Sox fan, but Sox have looked a little rough in Friday's outing here against the Cubs. Anyway, can anything describe this market more than the word ugly on Friday? An expiration Friday sell-off, something we don't normally see. They're kind of unusual. Usually we see the markup. This was a bad day in terms of the market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down 220 points. We see one lone advancer of the 30 stocks. That lone advancer, the Coca-Cola Company, was up 0.5%. We saw a lot of ugliness, though. The other 29 stocks all down, led by GM percentage-wise. GM down just about 7% on the day. Not good. Why did we go down so far? How many times have we talked about these levels on the S&P 500 future? We broke through this 1335 level like it was standing still, shall we say. We went right through it, all the way down on the futures to just over 1319. Now, this being said, as we talked about, the next belief is we can go down to 1302. However, what didn't we see when we went down, to me, is the more important question on Friday. We didn't see the VIX explode. Yeah, it was up $1.30, but it's still under 23. So that's okay. I think when we go to 1303, which I do believe we will test over the next few weeks, or 1302 is actually the level on the S&P future. If it happens without the VIX going above 25 on both closes a couple of days in a row, I think we're going to be safe. All right, I really do. I think we'll bounce back off it. So with this 1335 level, without the VIX being over 23, I mean it's right knocking on 23, but we didn't close over it. I think we could see a bit of a bounce here over the next couple of days. So it's something to keep in mind as we head forward here for the next few days. All right. What's the news this week? All eyes on the Fed. That's simple. You know, everything else is, as we all know, unless there's some big news, things are meaningless when the Fed is speaking. Big Ben, yeah, we're on a first name basis. When he speaks, the world listens. You know, it's like that old E.F. Hutton commercial back from the 80s. So you have to keep your eyes on what he has to say, and ears, and all the rumors that will be rampant on what they're going to do this week. Really, until they come out and say what they're going to do, everything else is a little bit immaterial. All right. Anyway, that does it for this weekend. As I say, we got some levels to watch at 1335 level that was such great support. Now it becomes resistance if we rally back up. It would not surprise me to see us rally back up. All right, that's all for now. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Think or Swim. As always, good health, good trading. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for joining us.